Hey y'all, welcome back to another outfit of the day. Today I wore this because it was a Western theme at school. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week if you're a teacher. This dress is actually from Garage and it's like a baby doll dress. It's very, very cute. It is a little short, so I would suggest you sizing up. This top right here, or this fringe vest, this is actually from Amazon. And these boots right here are also from Amazon. They have them in multiple colors. And if you're a wide calf girly, these fit perfectly and they're comfortable because I literally wore them all day. I actually had a pink hat as well at school. I'll insert a picture of it. I hope you like this. Let me know what you guys think and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Back, y'all. I'm going on live right now. Not really live, but you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I haven't really been filming or vlogging at all just because I haven't been feeling it like at all. Maybe we should have a little chit chat. I just did a little quick impromptu outfit of the day with my cowboy boots. Hold on. Why are these so cute? From Amazon. Like, I don't even know what this vlog is gonna look like, but let's come chat. Let's go chat real quick. I was gonna lower that, but it doesn't make sense because those are literally from my outfits of the day. And that's literally all I'm really using that tripod for right now. So hopefully you guys can see me. What's good, guys? Oh God, let's not show any of that. Hopefully you can see me. Hopefully I'm not looking too greasy or crazy because it's the end of the day, so just bear with me. That is a mess on my bed, so I don't want to show you that. I'm trying to find a good angle, but there's literally none. Lately, I just haven't been feeling like vlogging. I don't know what's going on with me. I was doing really well for a while, and I was like definitely recording so much, and then I got in this like funk where I just wasn't in a good headspace, and then I wasn't recording. Like, I will see my camera, I will literally walk past it, and I will not record. And I know you can give yourself grace because you're entitled to, like, hold on. I'm trying my best. Oh, that lighting is great. Okay, so we're like in my little nook. Like, I can call it like Summer's Corner. I don't know how much time is left on this battery either. But basically, I was trying to say that I wanted to give myself grace because this has just been a rough week for me, a rough couple days, actually a rough couple of weeks. I don't know, this happens quite often. I feel like in my life, like things just start ramping up all of a sudden out of nowhere. I feel like people just, not people, I want to say that out of nowhere, a bunch of things will happen at once. And I try my best not to let it get to me and to try to act like it doesn't bother me. But obviously, sometimes like it does bother me. So that's what I'm feeling like right now. My sister's FaceTiming me. Hold on. Q-tips feel so great. Okay, so this light in this little nook is hitting right now with this outfit. And maybe because my face is greasy and glowing, it looks so good. Anyway, so I just haven't been feeling like picking up the camera. And that is my bad, y'all. Like, I honestly will say it's my bad. But I will do better because I did have enough footage at least to get the vlog up for Sunday. But, like, if I want to do 2 videos a week, I have to be recording all the time. And I don't know why I'm not. Like, I just got to get my life together. So, with that being said, this weekend is Mother's Day weekend. Tomorrow we have something for our school, like a fundraiser. They have like a carnival at school, so that's going to be like a huge deal, but I'm not going to really record there. I'm debating on whether or not I want to go to Pilates tomorrow after that, just because I'm going to leave there probably like 5, and Pilates doesn't start till like 7:30. Like if I go to the latest class, I can also probably make the 6:30 class, but I feel like I'll be rushing. But if I take the 7:30 class, I can come home, and then I can actually just go to Pilates after that. So I think I'm going to do that. And then Saturday morning, I'm going to go to Pilates, which I'm excited about because I never get Saturday morning classes. So my goal has been to work out 3 days a week. My birthday is literally a month away, less than a month, right? And I just have not been together. Like I have not walked or ran my miles or anything. And I actually like doing that, so I haven't done that. I just feel like my head has been like so clouded, and I feel like when I work out, that feeling of working out has made me feel so good that I don't need to like do anything else. I don't need anything else besides the workout because it's like a stress reliever. So I don't know what's going on in the universe, but I just pray for me, y'all. Okay? If you can just say a word of prayer to pray for me. Because I feel like, sometimes you need prayer. And I'll pray for y'all too. Y'all leave a prayer request, I will 1,000% pray for you. Like I have no problem praying for people. I just feel like I want somebody to also pray for me, you know? Yeah. Because there's a lot going on. And a lot of times what you see on social media is not real. It's fake. So what you see is a fraction of what my life really is, right? Like you might know a few things about me, and to people that just came on and joined us, welcome. My name is Summer. I didn't even say that part. My name is Summer if you guys are new here. I really just gained like 50 subscribers from one of my videos, so hi to all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. And join me because my hair is like this Fulani style, which I love. I'm really sticking to changing my hairstyle up every month, and in the next couple of weeks I am gonna be changing this up to a bob. And I don't know if it's gonna be a long bob, so I'm either thinking here, like 14 inch or something like that, or like right here. Like it has to literally stop right here. Like, I don't even want to touch it. I don't know if I want to touch my collarbone or not. I don't know, but I want to bob that when I go like this. My, oh, can't wait. Middle part bob, can't wait. Jet black. So that's gonna be, I think, my birthday hair. I don't know what I'm doing for my birthday. I don't know where I'm going for my birthday. No, what am I wearing? And it's my 40th. So I feel like I got to do something. Like, I got to do something for my 40th. You can't just be sitting around doing nothing for your 40th. I just don't know what I want to do. And really, honestly, I'm a foodie, so I like to eat. That's really what I want to do. I want to go somewhere. I want to be real cute, dressed up, makeup flawless, hair perfection, outfit. That's what I want. I just don't know where that is. So there's that. Yeah, and I like to enjoy myself. I like to dance. I like to have a good time. Yeah, so okay, so I'm back. Yeah, so I don't even know where I left off. I just was talking about I didn't know what I was gonna do for my 40th. So anyway, moving on. I'm gonna start recording everything. I recorded the other day a TikTok pasta that I made, which was looking delicious. I also have like a few. I actually have enough content, I think, until, I don't know. Today is what? Wednesday? Today's Wednesday? Today's Wednesday. I think I have enough content till Friday or Saturday. I've been trying to film like bulk content and just filming everything, like especially for the I've been trying to film bulk content and just film everything, like anywhere that I go, anything that I do. I try to do that for the most part. It hasn't been going too well this week. I feel like last week I was like really doing it, even like my little outfits of the day. So I did outfit of the day, so there's something else, more content. I think I have content up to Saturday, and then tomorrow it might just be like spend the day with me. I don't know, y'all. I'm just winging it at this point, and I don't want to wing it. I want to have content that I know what I'm filming every day, and I have strategies that I want to use, and I just am not using them. But anyway, I say all that to say, I gotta get my life together. We'll get it together. Hopefully it will be okay. Guys, you know what I realized? When I smile with these braces, I don't like it. I don't know. I can't wait until my teeth are done actually with the braces and I whiten them and they actually like perfectly straight and white. Can't wait. Can't wait. That's gonna be top tier feeling. Top tier. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later because I'm just rambling and have nothing really to talk about, but that's cool. Went to the Coach store. By the way, if you guys are a Coach VIP member, whatever, Coach has a sale going on, y'all. And it's going to be, I don't know what percentage off, maybe 20% off, I think, actually. And they have the Coach belt bag. And if you know A-Wilty, you know she has all these things. Coach, I literally have like things that I want to stack up in my cart. I have a little wish list. You know how they're like girls' wish list? I literally have just been putting stuff in this wish list. And I put it in there yesterday. So I have like that Coach crossbody. It's only going to be $230. And I feel like I say only, you know, in a fun way, because only is not $230, not cheap, but it's not super, it's not $1,000, you know. So I feel like it's gonna be Mother's Day. I might give myself a Mother's Day gift. I want that. I want the white tabby, and I want the Coach sandals. So 3 things from Coach. And then I have other things that I want to get, and I still haven't really bought those things. Oh my god, I got the Nike Vomeros. I didn't even show y'all. Y'all, a lot of stuff is happening. So I want to show you guys the content. I will be better about the content. I will make sure I take my camera with me, and we're gonna just film, like, regardless of how we feel. I'm gonna show you my real days when my days are not that great. Like yesterday wasn't the best day, and the day before that wasn't great. And I want to show you my good days, like when I'm super happy. I feel like I should tell you either way, like so you can get a real glimpse of who I am in my real life. So yeah, I will talk to y'all later. Hopefully you like this little chat session in my little nook with my light and my face super greasy. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. I have to go make tacos now because I'm hungry, and it's 8:26. So I'll talk to you later. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So it is Mother's Day weekend, like I said earlier, so we're going out, and I am looking for, I already put on my Drunk Elephant face stuff. Right now we are about to do our face real quick, and of course we have to go somewhere, and of course we're on a time crunch, and of course I'm rushing right now. I just did my lashes, I did my edges as well, so I don't have to do those, but I am going to do my face. Usually it takes me about 30 minutes or so. I don't have any of my lip stuff down here. All my lip stuff, like literally like all the good ones, are upstairs in like my bag. So I'm just gonna use that e.l.f. for now. That should be fine. I'm gonna use the stuff on my brows, which is this Grande whatever. Grande brow that I use. It definitely feels like a little irritated, this one, but I don't know why. Yeah. See how quickly I could do my makeup because we gotta get it. And my dress, so y'all, I haven't gone to Express in so long just because the prices, I feel like, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but y'all let me know down below. Are Express prices a lot, or is it just me thinking that they're a lot? Like, I feel like back in the day I used to buy more things from Express, but it wasn't as expensive as now. Today we went and we bought, like, my husband bought a pair of jeans and he bought me a dress and this like cute shirt. Now the shirt is like a corset top, which is very cute, and it's like ribbed in the front. And the dress is chef's kiss. It's like a bandage dress. So nice. It fits my body really nice. The dress itself cost $88. And I feel like that's extreme for price. Like, why is that so expensive? Honestly. Like, why is that $1 million for that? Like, it doesn't make sense to me. Is that how much Express always was? And I just don't remember it ever being that expensive. Like, I don't remember spending $88 on a dress or on a shirt. Like, $54 for a shirt that's like a corset shirt that you can get from like anywhere. I don't remember spending that much money on it. So the fact that like we did spend that much money today, and then he had like these nice shirts, but he didn't end up getting them. These nice shirts that we want to get when we go away on vacation. But the shirts were like $80 too. And it's just like, when did Express become so like expensive? I don't know, but I thought it was too much. So I was like, you can put my shirt back. And he was like, no, I'll get it for you. So he ended up getting me my shirt, which was so sweet. But $88 for a dress and $88 for a shirt, that's insanity. Those are insane prices, like, honestly, it's insanity. So I feel like today I might use a different foundation. I don't know, should I use my Makeup Forever HD foundation? Feeling like I might. Like, what if I use this foundation today? Would that be okay? I think so. I mean, why not? So we're gonna take the Makeup Forever HD foundation, which I haven't used in so long, and we're gonna make sure our faces are flawless today. I'm just putting like the smallest bit on this brush and I'm pumping it directly on the brush. Not too much under my eyes because I am going to be concealing that part. At least want to be even. I think I look even. Hopefully this goes together because usually I'm so used to using this with Jeanette's Lyrics, but it's fine. All right, now I'm going in with all these, okay? So we're going to start off with the chestnut as always, and the chestnut goes in the inner corner. I'm actually doing this so fast right now, y'all, like honestly, because I know we got to get out of here and I just don't want to waste any time getting myself together. So thank God I did my my lashes already, because I know that takes a minute sometimes. So this place is some place I've never been before, like we've never been. It's called Nohu, and it's actually owned by like a top chef, which I thought was pretty cool. I was like, okay. So I don't know, never been there before, but it should be interesting. I pray that my makeup is chef's kiss because it's looking like it might be. And these e.l.f. blushes are way more pigmented than I thought. I know when I first got it a couple weeks ago, I was like, this is not that pigmented. No, they are. I don't know what I thought I was looking at, or I don't know what I was looking at, but I honestly thought it wasn't as pigmented as it is. They are definitely pigmented. Like, honestly, they really are. Because when I bring my blush up, you'll even see like how pigmented it is. I really like the chin makeup. I don't know. I always want to go in with a beauty blender to like blend that even more so it's like seamless, and then I always go in with this at the edges to like look how pigmented that is every time. The pigment on this be tearing me up. My God, I never expected it to be so pigmented, and it always is. Okay, so now I know I'm looking a little bit like a raccoon, but we're going to go in with a beauty blender and still blend that out. In the meantime, I'm also going to take my contour stick and just subtle contour. Let me go wet this. I'll be right back. This is my perfected face routine. I think I even might call it that for this video. Like, honestly, I have perfected my base so well to the point where I can literally do this makeup in like 15 minutes. And I love it so much. And it comes out flawless every time. Lately, I've been spraying my face, and of course today, I forget it. So now in my inner corners, I feel like it's not as concealed as I need it to be. So I'm going to go back in and do that again. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my powder. Two different kinds of powders. I'm going in with my pink powder and my Huda Beauty powder. Huda Beauty is like so finely milled. I love it. Right in this inner corner right here. This, for some reason, just sets off my makeup every time. Like, what? It was so good. It just hits every time. Look at that. Like, wow, flawlessness. Then I go in with that pink powder. I feel like I kind of like, with this pink powder, just set the blush as well. Well, that's why I do that. So that's why we use the two different powders. And like now, look at my face. It's literally flawless. I'm just going around anywhere I need to set. Literally, y'all, I'm almost done. I'm not even joking. Like, can you believe that happened that fast? Crazy. I should have cut my... Let me cut it still. There we go. I'll just leave that on there for a little bit. And now I'm going to do my brows real quick. I'm just going to conceal under my brows, but then I'm going to do my brows off camera. So Okay, my lips. Let me do my brows and I'll come back when my brows are done. Y'all, so I was doing my makeup and I was being a little bit too aggressive and I made my brow bleed. How? I don't know. I literally plucked a hair that I thought was a hair and I was like, ow, it hurt a little bit. And then my brow was bleeding. I don't even know how that's possible, but that's what I just did. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place. Y'all know already I always use this stuff for my eyes. It's the only thing I really use for my eyes. Just to give them some like definition and hopefully to cover the blood loss that's there. Alright, so I'm done with my face. Oh, there to go. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just put powder on and then set my face and set my brows. I feel like my face looks so good today. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit more blush, like an orange blush, and set my nose like I always do. So nose, really subtle, and then here. It looks so good. Okay, one thing I didn't do is my lips, and I will do my lips. Should I do them now? I don't know. Also, I didn't set my face, so let's do that. Okay, that's that. And star of the show always. So burny. It's so burny. All right, I'm going in with this and this. Okay, now last thing I have to do is my lips. I just took my lip stuff off so I could do my lips real quick. And I'm just going to go in with Cocoa and Abu Dhabi and then put a lip over it, thing over it. I feel like I have a cut in my brow right there, which is kind of cool. I'll leave it. And some Abu Dhabi. Or is this London? This is London, actually. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go upstairs, finish getting dressed, and I will see you guys with my dress on in a second. Actually, I have to figure out what I'm doing. I'm probably going to wear my hair down. And I didn't put a contour on my forehead, so... Oh no. Yeah, edges are laid. Face is snatched right now. I feel like when I wear my braids to the side, it just makes me feel so pretty. Even though I will never recommend this hair. Literally never get it. But I feel like I probably will do a little bit more upstairs, but let me go upstairs so I can get dressed, y'all. I'll be back. I feel so cute. Hey y'all, welcome back to another outfit of the night. Tonight we are going away. We're going out for Mother's Day dinner, and this is what I'm wearing. This outfit, this whole thing, is from Express. These shoes are actually from Fashion Nova. This dress, I got it in an extra small because the medium was like looking too big. Surprisingly, I'm an extra small. I don't know how that's possible. I feel like it just has a lot of stretch. So if I were you, I would size down. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it with this coat. Hopefully this looks okay in case it gets too hot, or in case it gets too cold outside. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.